Welcome. This video I'll show you how to see someone's friends list on Snapchat. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, open up the Snapchat app. And once done, go ahead and go to the messages icon or the DM section. And then here, go and find the friend that you wanted to check its friends list. Okay, tap on it. Now go ahead and go to the top, tap on its profile or profile name. And in here, as you can see, it says friendships are private. Screenshotting friendships profile will send a notification, just like Snaps. Okay. Unfortunately, you won't be able to see it right here. And when you go ahead over to the three dots at the top right, as you can see, you don't have that option in here as well. Now, when you go ahead and tap on manage friendship, all you can do is block, report, or remove the friend. And when you do have the Snapchat Plus, you will be able to see who his BFF best friend is. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.